Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to schedule tasks with Crontab on Linux. So first of all we have to go into terminal, so I will press on show apps and open the terminal. And before I will show you how to schedule tasks, we have to make sure that our Crontab is active. How can we do it? By typing in sudo systemctl and status and cron. For me it's active. If for some reason for you it is not active, you have to type in sudo systemctl enable in order to enable it now and cron, and it will be enabled after it. I will not press enter because I have it enabled, so it is not necessary for me. But right now, what is basically, why is the Crontab so useful? Because with Crontab we can for example set the script, we can create a script and set it to run, for example, every 1 minute automatically in the background and save, for example, something to the file, and I will show you how to do it. At the beginning, of course, we have to create a script. I have the script right there, I will remove that and I will create a new, so nano and script.sh. We will use bin bash, so we'll have to start it like this, /bin/bash. And right now, I will, for example, maybe I will use the date command, and I will save that into a file. So we will save date into a file in our home directory. So, for example, test_file that maybe log or txt, it doesn't really matter, maybe txt. I will do it like this, and we will save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter and Ctrl X. And right now, of course, we have to add the permissions to execute for this file, so chmod plus X, that means execute and for our script. And right now we can list that by typing in ls-l, and as you can see, everyone have the execute permissions. And right now we can move on to edit our Crontab. How can we do it? By typing in Crontab -e and press enter. We have to choose the editor. I will choose the first one because it's the easiest one, and we have the file. We have to go at the end of this file, so by pressing arrow down we can do it. And right now the syntax in this file is very important. It is right there, but I will maybe tell you that a little bit more clear, I think. So first one is minute, you have M right there. The second one is hour. The third one is day of the month. The fourth one is basically the month. The fourth one is day of the week, so of week. And the last one is comment, like this. And right now I will set my script to run every 1 minute. Every minute is very simple because you have to just type in star 5 times and basically the path to our file. So it is for me in home in test_pl and script.sh. We have to save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter and Ctrl X. I will show you in a moment how to set it for example every 5 minutes, daily, for example at the specific hour. But right now we can leave that. Right now we have to wait a minute because the script will be run every 1 minute, so we have to wait a bit. And I will show you that it is working. So we can, for example, I think use the Crontab -l command to see if it is right there. As you can see, it is saved. As you can see, we have our test file.txt, because we are saving this every 1 minute, and 1 minute I made a mistake. Yes, cut test file.txt. As you can see, 11/16/01, 11/16 December 29th, December 29th, so everything is working. And if you will wait another minute, it will basically again save the another minute, but we can wait. And in this time I will show you how to set, for example, some other times. So for example, we will move to this again, and how can we set, for example, every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes is also really simple, so */5, and right now 3 stars and the path to our file. How can we do it daily? Or for example, every Saturday at 3 AM. So every Saturday at 3 AM means the minutes will be 0, hours will be 3, and right now 2 stars and 0, because 0 stands for Sunday. I said Sunday, but I will do it for Sunday, so 0 stands for Sunday, and you can do it like this. How can, for example, if you set something like this, 00, that basically means midnight, 1 and 2 stars and the path, that means on the first day of every month. So day of the month is first at 00, so at the first day of every month. At the specific hour, so for example, you want this on 4 AM, so 0, 4, star, star, and star, and the path, that means on the specific hour. And that's basically how you can use it. I will go back and quit this. I will not save changes. And right now we can leave this file, because I talked for about 2 minutes. So as you can see, we have 17, 18, and if the time will switch to the 11:19, it will also save, so we can maybe wait 1 minute again. We can cut test, and as you can see, we have 19 right there. And that's basically how you can use Crontab for scheduling tasks on Linux. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.